Greetings, ISLA educators. My name is Stephanie Horgan, and I am the Director of Professional Development for Archangel Education and Technology. Today, I'm excited to share with you a quick and easy tech tip that you can utilize in your classroom. Have you ever been making a list in something like Google Sheets and you realize, I meant to separate the names? And let's say you have Ashley Smith and Andrew Sadhan and Barry Crusoe, and you meant to separate them into first name and last name. No worries. I'm going to teach you a quick trick to separate those names automatically in Google Sheets. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type the first two first names. So I've got Ashley here and I've got Andrew here. On the next line, when I highlight that next box, I'm going to hit Control Shift Y and watch what happens. All of the first names are populated in that first name cell. You can also do it with last names. So let's go ahead. We're going to enter the first few last names. And so I've got Ashley's last name and I've got Andrew's last name. I'm going to go to that third box. I'm going to hit Control Shift Y. And there you go. All of those last names are then populated. Let's say you want to say that they are all in fourth grade and you start entering. Well, instead of going through and entering fourth grade in every single box, I can enter it into the first couple of boxes. And then I'm going to highlight those boxes. Just left click and drag down to highlight. This blue little dot will appear and you're going to highlight it with that little cross button that appears when I hover over it and drag it all the way down to where you want it to go, and automatically those numbers appear in the box. Finally, you can also do it for a partial fill. Let's say you've got some students in the A section and you want to put some students into section A. Let's say we go all the way up to Dane here and fill those. And then we want to do it right here with beginning with Mary. And we want to highlight and put her and the next set of students in the B group. And so I'm going to highlight them, hover over this blue little dot here, and this plus sign appears. Drag that plus sign down, and then automatically, there you go. Information is automatically populated. A quick and easy tip for Google Sheets to help make your life a little bit easier in the classroom. Have a great day.